Good morning, guys. Welcome back to the vlog. We are standing in the doorway of our new home-ish. It's not really our new home, but it's our new home-ish because we are going to be traveling the US and living in this little beauty right here. I picked her up yesterday and I keep calling it a her, so we're going back and forth on what to name. You guys know our van, our big silver van that's sitting right in front of me. We named him Tony after Tony Stark. And so I feel like I want to name the camper Pepper. You know, Tony Pepper. And I went back and forth about Pepper or Jarvis, but somebody said on Facebook yesterday, they were like, yeah, you need to name him, or you need to name the camper Pepper because behind every great man is a great woman. And we're pulling the camper behind us. You get it? You get it? I think it's funny and I think it makes a lot of sense. So I think we're gonna do Tony, the Iron Van, and Pepper, our camper. Kids are obsessed with it. We all are. We've got quite a bit of work to do though to get this thing ready to hit the road. We need to build some rails for the kids' bunks. Well, let me come in. Let me show you around a little bit, and I'll share with you some of the stuff that we're gonna work on. Grand tour by Chikion and Moo-Moos. Okay, so this is the kitchen. This is the living area. This is a jackknife sofa that pulls into a bed. This is our U-shaped dinette that folds into another bed. Got a fridge, freezer, all of the good stuff here. One of the things we loved about this camper was that we had space for a coffee pot. We're gonna do like a mini Keurig here. But it's also got, look out girls for 1 second. It's also got lots of storage. There's storage here, which will kind of be like a pantry. It's got storage there, there's storage here, there's storage underneath these things. When you are living in something like this for weeks at a time with 9 people, you need all the storage you can get. This is the kids' room.
He just likes to sit on my bunk.
Yeah.
You want to sit on my bunk?
Kennedy and Shelby are going to be in these bunk beds here, and we are going to be building out. That's one of the things we're doing over the next few days is I'm going to change out the blinds. I don't like those blinds with the pull string. Because they attract children and they also choke children. So I'm gonna get rid of those. But CR, you love it? You love it? You want to get down?
Down.
I think she's telling you she wants to get down.
Oh my gosh, she's slapping it.
Get down. CR is going to be building a rail here, like a guardrail for the kids, just so that they feel a little more secure, like they're not going to roll off in the middle of the night and hit the floor. And then also a small ladder here for Kennedy, because this is going to be Kennedy's bunk.
Oh my gosh, I feel rocking.
And then over here, yeah, we don't have the leveling jacks out right now. This is going to be Noah's bunk right here. And same thing, we're going to build him a little rail. He's got lots of space here. He only comes to about halfway. So we're also going to do some storage things. That's going to be the name of the game in here, is figuring out where the kids can store clothes and toys and all of that. I'll show you guys what we come up with for everything, but I wanted to kind of do like a little before tour. So down here, this is a sofa, as you can see, but these pull out into beds. We are trying to decide, because this is, you know, hey, I'm sorry. Jonah and Rosie's beds, and they turn out this way, but it takes up so much space during the day when no one's in here sleeping. We want to have lots of floor space for the kids to be able to play too. So I'm going to work with my mom. As you guys know, my mom's just like a master quilter, sewer, can come up with all kinds of things. So we're going to see if we can find another solution for beds for Jonah and Rosie that perhaps like roll out and then we can put away during the day so they can be playing in here, and we can kind of make this a little playroom area with some toys and bins and stuff like that, because we'll be on the road for a long time sometimes, huh?
Mom, look at those.
We can be gone for a long time sometimes, huh?
She's messing with the light. Oh my god. I just can't wait to play in the woods in the camper.
Yeah, they just want to play outside, which is fine. Totally, that's the point. Oh, CR opened up our windows to give us some light.
Skylight in the shower.
So then if you come in here, this is the bathroom. This is another thing that sold us on this model, was a lot of the models with one bathroom had it at the back of the camper. And I really wanted it up here by us for purposes of getting ready and things like that. I wanted the camper up, or the bathroom up here by our bedroom. So you kind of got like a 2-door situation going on here, bathroom, bedroom, and you can also get to the bedroom from the bathroom. So toilet, shower. Can you hold out for 1 second, babe, so I can show in here, please?
Just touching the glass.
Thank you. You know, a lot of families talk about wanting a camper with a tub so that they can bathe small children. Hold on, this is a magnet. But for us, all of our kids take showers except for the babies. So this has got just enough, it's got probably like what, maybe 4 inches deep down there, 3-4 inches deep. So I will just unhook that from the wall, sit the babies on the floor, and I'll spray them down is how I will give them baths.
For the drain too, even if you
yeah, put a little cover so that it fills up a little bit and you get a little bit of water. But we do, with 7 kids, we do what we call fast baths. So nobody hangs out in the tub for a long time in our house. It's just get in, get clean, and get out.
You got a lot of hair.
I take a while. I'm the longest one that takes the showers.
Yeah, you take a long time, but you have a lot of hair to wash.
Last time I took a shower, it was like a record for me because it took me like 1 minute and 30 seconds to actually shower.
Oh dear Lord, can you even get your hair clean in that time? Okay, so if you come into here, this is the parents' bedroom, our bedroom. We've got lots of storage and stuff over here. So we got lots of storage up here. And clothing hanging storage here, which is great. Little side stepper thingies there. And then the bed lifts up and there is, can you move, honey? And the bed lifts up and there's a bunch of storage underneath there.
Whoa, I didn't know that.
So Ciara and I will be able to fit plenty of stuff. I think we're gonna be plenty okay. Like, one of my big concerns when we started talking about doing this was actually being able to bring everything and fit the things that we need. Diapers, school books, like all of our stuff, plus just clothes and things like that. And I feel like with the way this camper's laid out and the storage and everything, we should be fine. I feel like we're gonna be able to fit everything. So I told you guys we're only doing some minor, sorry, he's on the phone back there. We're only doing some minor changes before we go on our first trip. And like I said, it's gonna be getting the kids' bunk room adequate for them, taking down some blinds, and I also just really do not like these valance things. They're oogly. So I'm gonna take those down. And then in here in our master bedroom, I do want to do a little bit of work in here. We're gonna get a new mattress and decorate a little bit in here. If you've got a lot of kids or you spend a lot of time, like having a little bit of an oasis, a little place to kind of close the door and get a break for a second, it's pretty valuable. So I want to make sure we create that in the camper as well, like we have at home. So, what?
Mom, can we show them something?
What? What?
Can we show them how the TV broke?
Yeah, the kids love that the TV comes out, so you can pull it away from the wall.
We can watch it while we're eating.
And then angle it. So if you're sitting over there on the sofa or over here, everyone can see the TV. And if you're like me and maybe you're in here in the kitchen cooking up something or doing dishes or whatever, you can angle the TV so that you can see in the kitchen as well. So it's nice to have that option.
Bubba will turn on the TV for you. No.
I'm just the look on your face.
Okay, so I just got back from a shopping spree, if you will, with my sister. We ran to IKEA and Marshall's to try to find some stuff for the camper, because a lot of times when people are like gonna be living in campers for extended periods, it's because they're moving out of their house and moving into them, you know, full-time RVing. But we're not full-time, so we can't exactly empty our house out and move it into here. So we're just trying to fill in some stuff we'll just bring from home. But we needed some bowls and bedding and stuff like that. Some pots, some more pots, some dishes. Let's see, what else did we get? Got a little shoe thing for outside.
Some stuff requires building. I don't know what it is.
Nothing requires building.
What is this thing?
It's just like a cabinet. Think of like a locker stand that gives you more vertical space. It's kind of like that.
Does it need to be put together?
Well, yeah, put together. Build. Built is a strong word.
Okay, this guy over here.
Built is a strong word. We got a stool. Garbage can, this doesn't need to be built. And then I got some just various things for storage. I did buy one decor-ish thing, which is this lovely little plant. And then I'm gonna surprise everybody with a makeover in here, because this is an important room to me. This is my no. This is my escape room. So I need it to be real comfy, cozy. That's how I like it.
Color scheme you're going here. Oh,
so,
I think I know where you're going with this.
I bought some wallpaper, some peel and stick wallpaper that's going to go along that back thing there. And then we have a bedding scheme here. I do still need to get a new mattress. If you've never slept on an RV mattress, they're the worst thing on the planet. Maybe not the worst thing, but they're pretty terrible. So we are going to get a new mattress for the camper, and I'm just going to donate this one. But I don't want to give too much away. I just want to show you this pillow that I'm obsessed with from Marshall's. It's furry and soft, and I love it. So we'll do a little before and after in here.
A work in progress.
I think I'm going to either
What's the timeline?
take these down or just get some new fabric. Take them down and like staple with different fabric on these that goes. But yeah, we were working with about like what, babe, a week?
What's the date today? I don't even know.
I don't know either.
Or something.
We're working with about 2 weeks basically.
We got about 2 weeks, and there's still a lot to do, like
for the kids'
multimedia,
rooms,
accessibility, setting up internet service, and getting all that stuff squared away. That's like my jurisdiction that I'm really.
Yeah, I'm
I
buying.
want to be able to upload videos for you guys, and so
I'm buying pillows
researching
and pots, and he's making sure we can upload content.
cooking to grilling, like ability to cook food, because we got a large family, so we got to start using like Instapots. We've got to be able to grill outside. Not a lot of cooking is going to take place in here because we don't want the camper to smell like bacon 24/7. So
yeah, so we have a lot of outdoor grilling stuff as well. I mean, we'll cook in here, but just
I'm
not
not going to lie,
as much.
I have zero knowledge in how this thing works.
What thing works?
The camper.
I showed you everything.
I know you did a little walk around, but like setting up the that's all the stuff where
Oh yeah,
it's gonna be trial by fire. I am very confident in the fact that I will not know what I'm doing.
That's okay. Some the best things come out of not knowing what we're doing.
So,
but yeah, so we did a little RV haul here. Yeah, and Sierra's still got to build the, I think we decided we're just going to do railings. We're not going to do a ladder. We bought a step stool that they can use. Because kids are agile, man. I think it'll be a week before the kids are just popping up there no problem. They're just not used to it. Mm-hmm. And really, that's Kennedy's bed. I don't think it's going to be a problem. So we got a step stool just to help them out. But yeah, I ordered sheets from Amazon. Maybe I should do like a full RV haul.
Oh, good call.
Video.
Yeah.
Tell us down below in the comments. Do you want to see like an actual haul instead of me just like showing you some of the stuff like this? Do you want to see an actual haul? And then of course we'll do an after tour when we get everything all situated and decorated and all that stuff. We'll do a final haul.
Maybe I think we're gonna do like a season of our RV travels wherever we go.
Yeah,
we'll
they'll be like season
format.
1.
But I really liked the name you had the other day, which was Leaving the Nest.
That was TGN Flies the Nest.
TGN Flies the Coop?
TGN Flies the Nest. We're this gathered nest, not this gathered coop.
Well, that's right. That's why I'm leaving the nest. I
said TGN Flies the Nest. And you said TGN Flies the Coop.
That's right, because you fly a coop. You leave the nest.
Whatever. TGN leaves. You tell us. We're going to do seasons for our travel. So for season 1, which is the trip we're getting ready to go on, we haven't announced where we're going and all that stuff to you guys yet. But should we say, use like hashtag TGN Flies the Nest? Or what did I say? Oh, you said TGN leaves the nest. Whatever. You tell us. What do you think? Flies the nest, leaves the nest. Potato, whatever.
This is going to be fun.
So we're going to do an after with everything that we've done. Like I said, we're not gutting this. Okay, so a lot of times people will buy RVs and they will gut them and redo the entire inside, which is great. This RV is new, so we're not gonna gut it. That feels dumb to us. If it was a used RV and it was old and everything was outdated, sure. But there's definitely things we wouldn't choose, but we're not just gonna throw things out just to throw them out. So especially when I was picking out stuff to decorate and everything, like I'm just working with the color palette that I have. Because I don't feel comfortable just coming in here and painting all this cabinetry and everything. Yeah, I'm going to work on decorating. There are some small projects we're going to take on, and I'll show you guys like the after of everything. But let me know, do you want to see like hauls along the way? Should I put that on this channel or my personal channel? No, my personal channel is just for like what's in here. So hauls and stuff like that.
Nobody's in the babies in the living room. Can you
Thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe. She acts like she doesn't know. Subscribe to our channel. Okay, go ahead. You tell them.
See you later, sweets.
Walk me in the morning sun. Tell me I'm a lucky one. I'm riding on the wave of an ocean that I could be brave. Is there anything